In SCADA, you can create multiple users and restrict their access rights. To create a user and configure necessary settings through users, go to the Tools tab and select User Manager. Under the Usernames section on the left side, the list of usernames is displayed. Clicking on the relevant username will display parameters related to that user on the right side. Access rights for users can be restricted for pages or tags. If a user belongs to a group, the name of the group appears under the Member of Group section. On the left side of the editor, there are groups and access rights, which are the restrictions that users can select. Additionally, the names here can be customized. You can enter any desired name. To create a new user, click on the new user icon above the username. In the window that appears, there are parameters to enter for creating a new user. Username and password options are the credentials used when connecting to the server with the client. After entering the information on the screen, the username of the user created appears under the username. Under the Special Roles section, you can restrict access to reports on the client using the Access to Reports option. Additionally, with the Guest option, you can only read pages and cannot set values on any component. With the Administrator option, you have read and write access to all components. To demonstrate page restrictions, let's create a new page. To restrict access on the page, click on Access Rights under the Page Properties on the right side of the editor. By selecting any option in the window that appears, a restriction is applied. Repeat the same process for other pages. After applying restrictions on the page, the same restriction must also be applied from the user parameters. To grant access to a user for a specific page, select the option indicating that the page is restricted in the user access rights. After configuring the settings, click Save Changes to start the server and run the client. Depending on the defined page restrictions, when logging in with the admin user on the client, you will see only page in the project. Also, you log in with the microdef user, you will only see the page 1 page.